Hi guys, so welcome back to my little corner. Today is almost the end of January. First of all, we're gonna make coffee before I start the day. In my 2025, I feel like I want to be more stable about financial as well. I actually started writing my own journal, which is this is my first time that I really serious with that. So I need to show you guys about something. I think like I actually started filming a little bit, so I didn't like film it all, but yeah. I would love to show you guys my vanity. And this is my vanity table. It's not too big or too small. My partner, he bought me for, Christmas. We got them in very good price. We got it from Webster, I think, like Temper Webster something. I will put the link below. I think like we got it from the unboxing day after Christmas. What I'm thinking today, maybe we can start by organize my 180 table together. Have a look how messy it is, and yeah, I think like for this one, I wanted to, I forgot to tell you guys, and yeah, this is how my mirror work. Like you can slide it, and then like I have more storage here. Put it like here. For this drawer, I want to mostly storage my eyeshadow palette. This one is my most used all the time. Okay, so I also need you guys help. If you have any your favorite lighting brand, you can comment it below because I really need a new one. I actually got one when I was in Thailand, but like I'm moving, so I can't. I mean, like I was thinking to maybe want my mom to ship it here, but I also think like if I have to pay for the shipping, so maybe I could buy a new one here. So if you have any good lighting brand, so you can comment it below, because I feel like this year I want to be more serious about filming makeup. I want to make it like to maybe another level, so you guys can see like like a finish, like a beauty finish look. Should I show you my kitchen because it's a bit messy right now, but yep. Now I will show you what I make. Look how good it is. Right now I'm gonna do myself a makeup for shooting my content at home. First of all, I'm gonna prep my skin with my recently favorite toner pad right now. It's from La Glace. It's a Thai brand, and I feel like they did a pretty good job. Only gonna whip it all on my face. I feel like my skin a little bit cracked right now, so maybe this is the reason why I use this one. But I think like today I need my cheek to go, and this is the look that I tried to create today. Ombre pink around like her cheekbones. I feel like we don't have to do anything much about the eyes. I'm gonna use this Tide palette. Go like all over. If you take time with like how you blend your eyeshadow, your makeup gonna look absolutely, perfect. Like I'm glad that I also bring my darker shade foundation, because right now the one that I always use is not really suit on my skin right now because I'm get a bit darker. here is a quick review of my makeup for today. And I think my partner gonna come home soon, so I might have to start thinking about what I should cook for us for today. I know that this vlog, it seems like nothing much going on, but I'm happy to bring you guys to my simple routine at house. But if you guys like this makeup look, so maybe next video I can do a full makeup tutorials. Like I will tell you guys what product that I use for this one, and you know, like for this whole look I don't really use much product, so yeah, just let me know.